About 6, 7, 8 years ago, people said to us, it's not just the ingredients. There's something else going on at Monin that nobody else has got. And I said, well, maybe we should talk more about the ingredients inside the building instead of just the ingredients inside the bottle. It's really true here that no one wins alone. We work as a team and we are stronger because of it.
Monin is a gourmet flavoring company. We make syrups, sauces, purees, concentrated flavors.
We were founded in Bourges, France in 1912 by Mr. George Monin.
It's still owned by the same family, third generation, by Olivier Monin.
The American headquarters are here in Clearwater, Florida, but we also have a headquarters in France as well.
We have a manufacturing facility and innovation cafe in Sparks, Nevada.
We have plants all over the world, Malaysia, China, and we're going into South America as well.
Quality definitely extends beyond just the ingredients. It's about the culture. Every day we're constantly thinking about, are we doing the right thing? Are we doing right by our customers? And are we doing right by our employees?
I think there's always room to keep raising the bar. I learn something new every day. And as research and development, we're always trying to create new flavors, which I think allows us to be innovative in R&D to end up with the best possible product at the end of the day.
Everyone's always willing to lend a helping hand to each other and make sure that the end goal is done.
If anyone needs something done immediately, I'm right there to help. Every little bit helps, no matter how small.
Creativity is valued here because we're always looking for new ideas and encouraged to try everything.
Being able to have endless creativity essentially at my fingertips is a chef's dream, quite honestly, or a bartender's dream.
If we weren't continually innovating, then we would not have a reason to keep these doors open.
Monin to me is basically family. I've been here for about 20 years and I kind of grew up with this company.
One of my favorite things about Monin is it's a family culture. It's a wonderful environment, and I always tell people when they first start that they'll be taking me out of this place feet first.
It makes me feel empowered, and it also helped me to feel like a family is behind me when I need a support and opinions.
It's extremely important for us to collaborate across all departments, and the more transparent we can be in our communication, always being willing to ask for help, holding ourselves and others accountable, I think is what makes us so effective.
I had to learn from every department, from quality control, from operation, logistics. I had to learn from every single person. But I think based on communication and leadership, our leaders make sure that every leader works together.
Everybody has their own part. You need manufacturing to make it. You need the supply chain to move it. We have to all work together, and so we need each other.
Working in the beverage industry is so fun. I get to do tastings with the innovation team every once in a while. Innovation, R&D, marketing, we all come together. So seeing it come to life within all of our departments is a really cool and exciting thing to be a part of.
In the financial department, we are constantly evolving, just like Monin is evolving. Bringing it every day is part of what makes our department amazing and what makes the Monin culture such a great place to be and be a part of.
We prioritize quality and integrity in everything we do, including the customer experience. I'm proud to be part of a team that makes every person feel special that walks through the front door.
At Monin, we're dedicated to environmental and social responsibilities. We are a local business, so we want to be able to help not only our community, our environment as well.
We recently installed actual beehives here on our Clearwater campus at Monin. We were providing our excess syrup to local beekeepers to help them keep the bee population alive.
We're looking for natural products and natural ingredients. Customers go, you guys are different. You're different than everyone else, and it's not just the product. And we said, yeah, it's our secret ingredients. And they go, really? I go, yeah, it's our people. It doesn't matter what department, where you are. It comes right down to the individual interactions on a day-to-day basis between everybody who's working here. My experience is people make friends here, and this becomes far more than a job. I firmly believe no one wins alone. We win together.